হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আমি মোহাম্মদ শরীফুল ইসলাম, সবাইকে স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি আমার চ্যানেল ম্যাথস্টাইন। এখানে আমরা ম্যাথ এবং ফিজিক্স নিয়ে শিখব। এবং চলো বন্ধুরা, তাহলে দেরি না করে দেখে নেওয়া যাক আজকে আমরা কি শিখতে যাচ্ছি। Hello friends, today we are going to learn derivative of product and division of a function. Here we are saying that a lot of product of a function all are expressed by y equal to f of x because all are function of x. Here we are seeing that there are two functions. They are in product form: x square ln x, x to the power 4 e to the power x, x square log base ax plus 7 e to the power x cos x, then blah 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 blah, and then x cubed tan x. Here we are seeing algebraic and trigonometric formation, logarithmic formation. Then here we are seeing 1, 2 and 3. Three terms are in product form. Here in two terms in product form. So now we are going to derivative. We want to find the derivative of product and the division of a function. So at first we are going to find out the derivative of a product of a function. So let's have an example like y equal to x to the power 4 e to the power x. So there is a formula like ddx uv. Suppose a function y equal to uv, then we have to derivative the y, so we can write ddx of y equal to ddx of uv. So we can write, so here it is the formula basically. So when one is derivative, we have to, then another one will be constant. So if we want to find out the derivative of u, then v will be constant. Then we can write ddx of u. And when we want to find out the derivative of v, then u will be constant. So u is constant and ddx of v. So here is the formula. So here if it is u, if it is v. Okay, I want to clarify one thing, that it might be v or it might be u, it doesn't matter. Okay, sometimes students confuse it themselves, but I think it should be clear to them that we might take it as v, we might take it as u. It will not be a problem. So now by this formula we will write down here. So ddx of y. Okay, students listen please. Here dy by dx, it is not the form, not the way. We have to tell it like ddx of y, though we talk like dy by dx, but it's not the genuine thing. So ddx of y equal to ddx of x to the power 4 e to the power x. As it is the first timer, so I am going to do it fully. Later on you will very much very much good at this, then you can do this at all and very short way. But right now I am doing it in a fully. So if we write, when we are going to derivative x to the power 4, then e to the power x will be constant. Thank you. E to the power x. So ddx of x to the power 4. Then e to the power x will be derivated like ddx of e to the power x. And as we have done the derivative of e to the power x, so we have to make something constant, and it will be x to the power 4. So if we make derivative of x to the power 4, here there is a formula ddx of x to the power n. So n x n minus 1. So here n is 4, so 4 into x to the power 4 minus 1 plus x to the power 4 and e to the power x. So we can write ddx of e to the power x equal to e to the power x. So here we can write e to the power x. So fully fully we can write e to the power x here 4 x cube plus x to the power 4 and e to the power x. So we can take some common. So here x cube and here e to the power x. So 4 plus x. So that is the ultimate answer. If if it is written, it might be the answer. There will be no marks will be deducted, and if you write this answer, it will be also correct. So guys, I hope you all have understood that. Later on I am doing another problem, and it is done for actually this problem. So here it is x square. I will not hold the whole problem. Just here one thing I want to mention, that every product there are two terms. That's why I'm not doing that. So I am going to do where are three terms, like x square, e to the power x, and ln x. So if we derivative it, so dx of y equal to ddx of x square, e to the power x, and ln x. So when we will find out the derivative of x square, then these two will be constant. So guys, e to the power x, ln x, and ddx of x square plus if we do for e to the power x, then x square and ln x will be constant, like x square ln x and ddx of e to the power x. And then we have done all the x square ex e to the power x, and now it's the turn of ln x. So ddx of ln x, and here x square and e to the power x will be constant. So if we do the use the formulas, then we will find the ultimate answer. So I am going to another derivative for derivative of product for this problem. For this problem, I hope guys you can see that. Okay, let's check it out. Here I'm writing the problem: y equal to x square log base ax plus 7 e to the power x cos x. So we have to write ddx of y equal to, I'm just going to shorten please. So if we do the derivative of x squared, then log base ax will be what? Constant. So, excellent guys. So log base ax will be constant, and the ddx of x square plus, then x square will be constant, and ddx of x square, sorry, log base ax plus, as 7 is a constant, so 7 will be outside, and if e to the power x is a constant, then ddx of cos x. As 7 is for both, that's why I have to give a bracket, then cos x and ddx of e to the power x. So we can say that, so here log base ax ddx of x squared equal to twice x from the formula x to the power n, x squared ddx of log base ax. So x square, here the formula will be 1 by x log base ae. Okay, one thing I want to share with you, that these are the formulas you will find it from any book. So I'm doing it by formula, I'm not writing it right now. And then 7 e to the power x cos, if we do the derivative of cos x equal to minus sin x, plus to the power x equal to the power x, and cos x is a constant. So guys, here is our expected answer. So you might, if something goes common, you might take common something, you might cut it down, x and x square, 1x will be gone, so we can write x log base ae. So in the formation is plus minus equal to minus, so you can write it down of your own. So here will be the answer. I hope you all have understood. Now we are going to derivative and the division of a function. So now here you can see the lot of division actually. So the functions are like in such a way: y equal to u by v, and u is a function of x and v is also a function of x. So our formula will be ddx of y equal to, if we take ddx of u by v equal to, I hope you can see it will be, the lower part will be v square and v will be constant, and ddx of u, later on I will go for the theory, then it will be clarified from the formula, and then u and the ddx of v. So this is the basic formula for doing the derivative of a function, division of a function. So now let's here all the maths are similar, so I will going to do any one of them where algebraic and trigonometric all together, like x sin x divided by 1 plus cos x. So y equal to x sin x by 1 plus cos x. So we can write this. So we can write dx of y equal to ddx of x sin x divided by 1 plus cos x. So x sin x is u and 1 plus cos x is v. So we will going to write this formula right now. So here you can see that 1 plus cos x whole square and 1 plus cos x will be it will be constant, and ddx of x sin x, the there will be minus, and then x sin x and ddx, I hope you can see guys, 1 plus shortage of pages, sorry, 1 plus cos x. So 1 plus cos x ddx of x sin x, here we can see that already the derivative of product has come already. So we have to write, if we do for x ddx of sin x plus, then sin x will be constant, and ddx of x, here is the bracket, yeah, then x sin x ddx of 1, you have to write it down, and then ddx of cos x. Wow, what a large part, what a large part. Then 1 plus cos x whole square. So now I will just I'm going to just do the answer, I mean the formulate thing, I will not going to all through the way. So 1 plus cos x, then x ddx of sin x equal to cos x. From where it has come from the formula. So plus, if we do the derivative of x, it will be 1. So here it will be sin x into 1 minus x sin x. If we do the derivative of a constant, it will be 0. So 0, you must have to write the 0. You cannot omit that 0 because you are doing the answer doing the answer of that, so that's why you must have to put 0, otherwise teacher might cut your marks. So you must have to put 0 here, and then ddx of cos x equal to minus sin x 1 plus cos x whole square. So this is the answer. Lastly, you might multiply both of them. If something goes cross, you cross it, something goes out, then out it, and in such a way you will get the answer. I hope you all have understood the derivative of product and division of a function. I hope all you have understood. Please make a comment, and if you have problem, you might tell us in the comment box. Thank you everybody. I hope very nice and have a good day. Thank you.
হ্যালো বন্ধুরা, আশা করি আজকের পড়াশোনায় বুঝতে পেরেছো, এবং যদি কারো কোনো সমস্যা থেকে থাকে তবে আমাকে কমেন্ট বক্সে কমেন্ট করো, এবং যারা এই চ্যানেলের সাথে যুক্ত হতে চাও তারা লাইক, কমেন্ট, শেয়ার করে যুক্ত থাকো, এবং যারা সাবস্ক্রাইব এখনও করোনি তারা সাবস্ক্রাইব করে চ্যানেলের সাথে যুক্ত থাকো এবং নিজেদেরকে আরও এগিয়ে নাও। ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।